Hello guys, Sam again with another video unboxing review. Today we will feature a brushless drill from a company, it's called HOTO. This is the HOTO 12 volt brushless drill. Actually, let's talk about the HOTO. HOTO is based from the first letters Home Tools. This is a company from the Xiaomi Eco chain. It's actually based in China, and they make some really unique tools. They actually keep the functionality of the tools, and they make some modernized and more simple functioning tools. Today I will feature this brushless drill. I reached out to them and I saw it online, and I was really impressed by the quality, and I haven't seen anything like that before. So yeah, they sent over this drill to review with you guys here in my channel. So on the back of the product you can actually see some info. We have the 12 volt drill, up to 30 nanometers of power over here. This is type C charging port. Unfortunately you can't use it and charge it at the same time, but yeah, some more info over here. We can step on the drill function. We have 0 up to 1400 rounds per minute, and on the screw function we have 0 up to 370 rounds per minute. On the sides we have all the actual bits and drill heads they use, so everything is inside the box. This is the package. You can actually see we have cut out of the actual drill, 1:1 scale, and let's move on to the top camera and see what's inside the box. So here's the box, and let's open it up. Made it happen. They have some really nice presentation on the boxes. On the other side we have the manual. So they have Chinese and English. That's really nice. So yeah, you can actually see everything you need to use this drill, but it is super easy to use. Even an amateur that has no experience drilling, you will definitely love this home tool. So over here first we can see a charging type C cable, some drill bits with the HOTO logo. So this is a 7 for wood, 6, 5 and 4. The other ones are for metal, and again we have 6, 5, 4 and 3 drill bits. Really nice. Also the packaging is with the fabric on the top, also pretty unique. And over here we have the screw bits. They use this long ones, and I guess they have some magnetic function also. So yeah, you can actually see all of them. Really nice quality they seem. Again with the HOTO logo over here on the top. And let's go into the actual product. So this is a drill. On the top we have a single click front for drilling, and on the back for screwing. Pretty easy to understand. The fins on the side. Also we have the back and the front, and also in the middle we have the safety. Let's open the front. That shows also the direction. And on the back we have the actual screen. On the bottom we have the Type-C connection for charging. Also this is made of plastic here in the front, and on the back we have some soft rubberized texture, so that's really grippy. And let's take off this protector and see the actual screen. So this is all the uniqueness about this drill. Unlock and press to show the screen. So by switching the front or the screwing and unscrewing, you can actually see also the arrows that shows the direction you will screw or drill. In the middle we have the safety. We have the up and down, plus and minus, for actually changing the torque, the nanometers. It goes out to 30, pretty easy. On the top we have the battery indicator, so we have 4 bars. That's really nice, yeah. Also, and in the middle we have another button. This one actually is the pulse mode. It's actually for amateurs that they have never used drill before, and this one actually will help you in order to prevent from screwing any bits of the actual screws. It will pulse the motor, and you will see what I mean. In that mode, when you drill, by pressing full, it will help you guide into the correct point. Same with undrilling. Also, you can actually operate with just one hand all the buttons like so. Super easy to use. You can access everything except from the top. And also the trigger is super sensitive, you can actually see. Let's put it on the top torque over here, and you can see there's a dead zone over here. By hitting this point, this is the lowest. And yeah, it's pretty unique. So also from the torque, this is the lowest point for screwing. So if you hit this torque, let me show you. It will stop automatically at this torque. So when we hit 1 nanometer, this is an indication that you have to stop. So you can actually go to 10 nanometers. Again, I just hold it with more strength, and you can see it hits that 10 nanometers. Also, if you go all the way up to 30 nanometers, keep your hands secure and hold with 2 hands, because this is pretty strong position to leave it with just 1 hand. Just a reminder there. So yeah, next we will follow with some test drilling bits and screwing some screws and see how it performs. So yeah, that was it guys with a HOTO 12-volt brushless drill. This is definitely going to be part of my home tool collection, and yeah, I hope I helped you a little bit with this video unboxing review. Don't forget to subscribe, it really helps me out to continue showing you more things, and see you in the next one. Peace.